In this video, I'll show you how to go ahead and use a Ucard at a grocery store. First, make sure you actually have a Ucard balance. You can do this at ucardhub.com or use the UHC app, all right, the United Healthcare mobile app. Now, what I need you to next do is find a participating grocery store. The Ucard works at select grocery stores, including, for example, Walmart, Kroger, Publix, Albertsons, other local stores. You can check the Ucard hub for a full list. Okay. And you can also use the store locator to find this. You can do this in the app as well and online. Now, what you just need to do is buy the eligible groceries. Right? Your Ucard can be used for things like fresh fruits and vegetables, dairy products, whole grains, meat, poultry, and fish, and other approved healthy food items. It cannot be used for things like alcohol, tobacco, pet food, household supplies, right? Cannot use it for those. So you find the eligible food items and then take your items to the checkout counter. Just go ahead and swipe or insert your United Healthcare Ucard just like you would with a credit card. And then if you're asked, just choose credit as the payment method. And basically, the system will automatically apply your balance to the eligible items. And if your total is more than the Ucard balance, then you can just pay the difference with another payment method. Okay? And if you want, you can also go ahead and track your purchases. You can do this at ucardhub.com or use the United Healthcare app. All right, go to the transaction history, see your recent purchases as well. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.